Welcome to the 21st Century Marketing Tip of the Month. These tips are practical techniques that you can use to help build your brand through digital marketing. This month, Gabrielle Forbes, social media intern at Ascend Business Design and Development, presents a technique we use to build followers on Pinterest.
Hi, I'm Gabrielle Forbes. I'm a social media intern at Ascend Business Design and Development, and our tip of the month is how to use strategic following to make your social media audience grow. For any business, social media presence is important. Social media has become one of the most powerful marketing tools available. These platforms connect consumers to marketers with a click of a button. That being said, growing your social media audience can be time-consuming, pricey, and difficult to do it if you don't have the right tools to do it yourself. Using this tip of the month, we're going to show you how to triple your follower count on Twitter or Instagram. While we want to build our follower count, we want to avoid gaining what we call ghost followers. Ghost followers are users on social media platforms, but they do not engage with our content. We want to build a follower base that actually engages with your content. They're going to like your photos, they're going to comment on your posts, and share them with their friends. So here are the steps we're going to follow to implement this process. We're going to start by searching for keywords that your target market is using in their posts. Next, you're going to use these keywords to find the right influencer that fits your brand. Once you find your influencer, you're going to reach out to them as well as their followers by following their pages and sending messages directly. And then you're going to stand back and watch your followers grow. For this month's example, we are going to be using one of our clients, Carmel Naturals, to demonstrate what strategic following is and how you can use it to build your following on social media. This example is going to be done by using the Twitter platform. The first step is to search for keywords which will reflect your business's target market. With Carmel Naturals, for example, we are going to be searching for things such as organic beauty, skincare, natural skincare, and any other tag which would coincide with Carmel Naturals' ideals. Influencer marketing is a form of social media marketing which involves endorsements or recommendations from influencers. A social media influencer is a person or an organization who have a high level of social influence on different social media platforms, such as Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Influencers with higher followers or subscribers have loyal fans who trust their opinions on which products they should be using. For example, if an organic beauty influencer on YouTube were to mention Carmel Naturals on their channel, that influencer's subscribers will want to try Carmel Naturals products for themselves. So when you come across somebody like Organic Beauty Blogger on Twitter with 5,000 plus followers, a green beauty enthusiast who shares the same brand ideals as Carmel Naturals, this is what you're going to do. If you're using the Twitter phone app, clicking on followers will bring you to this page. Notice the biographies of each follower. Passionate about making green beauty accessible to everyone. I love buying indie, trying new products, and making my own too. Another one says, interested in natural and organic skincare. Almost each one of these profiles matches the ideal potential customer for Carmel Naturals. So let's talk about why this works. Carmel Naturals likes or follows someone. That person will receive a notification and they will naturally want to visit the profile of this unknown user who has interacted with them. Because we will only be interacting with people who already have shown interest in similar products to Carmel Naturals, the likelihood of them following Carmel Naturals is much higher. Now, although the example we showed was on Twitter, this also works for a number of other platforms such as Tumblr, Pinterest, and Instagram. In fact, from using this method and tracking the analytics through Sprout Social, Carmel Naturals has tripled their original Instagram following in the last 3 months. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned a lot about strategic following. For more tips, like and subscribe to 21CM.
Thank you for listening. This concludes our tip of the month, using strategic following. The 21st Century Marketing Tips of the Month are a project of Ascend Business Design and Development. Our mission at Ascend is to help companies grow profitably. For more tips, visit us on the web at 21cm.global. Do you have a question or a digital marketing need? Reach out to us at Ascend. We're here to help your business grow.